Update on hive number 1. It's today the 30th of August 2024. I've started a month ago on the 31st of July moving this hive from its place where it was so windy. It's now right smack bang in the middle of my apiary, and seems like the move went very well. You can see the bees buzzing. I'm still blocking the entrance so that they can do their orientation flights, but yes, it's working. This bee is on the move. The bee trolley is working. It's working very well. I don't know if you can see inside there, but I will move this now. This plank. Let's just open it like that, and you can see inside there. These bees is booming. It's 17 degrees Celsius outside today. There's almost no wind, and they are flying. This is a strong colony. In a week's time, 2 weeks time, I must put on a super here, but let them climatize here and get their orientation. But yeah, hive number 1 eventually in my apiary. It took me a month. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and laugh with me the mistakes I made and the boo-boos. It's nice. It's nice. Thank you very much.